Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you how to make these 2 glam display trays to help with our Christmas decor for this Christmas season of 2022. Alright, I have this piece of wood here that I got from the Dollar Tree woodcraft section. And I have these wagon wheels that I got from a local craft store in my area. And I am going to use some hot glue along with some Gorilla Glue to glue them onto our piece of board. Okay, I'm just going to place the little wheels where I want them on the plaque, and then we're going to continue now to glue them down. First with some of the Gorilla Glue, and I'll be placing the hot glue going around the outside of our little wheel. Okay, now we have the wheels all glued down. So I'm gonna come in with some white acrylic paint and paint our little wood piece. When I'm all done, I'm gonna set it aside to dry for a few hours and do a second coat if needed. So here's our piece all dry and painted, and yes, I did have to go in with a second coat of paint. So now it's all dry. I'm going to use some of this glam chain here that I got from BB Craft, and I will be using the Gorilla Glue to glue it going around our tray. Baby, come here, let's talk. Yeah. I'll be right, yeah. There's no way that I can do this all by myself. Ooh, you stay on my mind all night. Need you right now. Need you right now. 'Cause I need a woman that's so vibey. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing. So vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Now that our tray is all done, I'm going to add some of these knobs that I got from Amazon, these cute round knobs. We're going to use them as legs, and I'll be using some hot glue to glue them down. You could use the Gorilla Glue if you choose, or E6000. Anything you'd like to glue them down when you're doing your project. I'm just using the hot glue for now. Tell me where he go. So see, I'm gluing them down to the wagon wheels. I added that so they would have a little lift, a little bit of height to our tray. And there we go. I think it looks so nice. So here is our finished look. A nice display tray for you to display any object that you would like to over this Christmas season or throughout the year. I think it looks absolutely lovely, and I love the legs and our chain going around. Looks very nice and elegant. And here we go with a candle on top. I think it looks very nice. Like I said, you could display anything that you would like onto your stand. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our first display tray number 1. And now for our second display tray, I have this other piece of wood board, oval shape, same thing from the Dollar Tree. And on this one, I use the tumbling blocks. I didn't have any more wagon wheels, so I used the tumbling blocks on the bottom to give it some height to place our legs. So we're just going to use some silver acrylic paint to paint this tray, and I'll just be painting it silver all around, and I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours.
Okay, now our tray is all dry. And I painted the top and the bottom. So now I'm gonna put some mirrored tiles that I have here. And I cut it into strips. And our mirrored tiles do have a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just gonna place it going down around our oval shape tray. Alright everyone, I think because it's wood, it's not sticking very well. So I'm going to use some of the Gorilla Glue to help glue down our mirrored tiles going right around. Okay, here is our tray with the mirrors on the side. I think it looks very nice. So now I am going to come in with some of these little rock gems, crystal clear gems that you can get from the dollar store, and I'm going to be using some hot glue to glue them going right around our tray. Okay, now it's time to add the legs to our tray. And again, we are using the same crystal knobs. I'll have the link below to all of the items that I'm using in the description box down below. So I'll just be using some hot glue. And like I said, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use when you're doing your project. I'm just using some hot glue and gluing the legs onto our tray. And here is our look for our DIY tray number 2. I think this one turned out very nice also. And as usual, I love the legs. I do. It gives it that added touch of glam. I love it. I love the crystals on top, the mirror going around, and then again our legs on the bottom. I love how this display turned out. You can place any glam item that you would like to on it, and these will also make a lovely gift. Both trays will make a lovely gift for a loved one or that special person on your Christmas list this year. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you. So I hope you give me a thumbs up for today's DIYs, and if you're not subscribed, I do hope you hit that subscribe button. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.